I'm your Gracie and you are watching Life Changer and Near. First, click subscribe button and press bell icon next to it. Give us thumbs up if you like the content. As you see in the starting, and I will continue that only, that September is going on, and if everything is normal and condition of COVID-19 is under control, then you have your board exam as usual in March. Now you have only 6 months to study, prepare your exam. So in this video, firstly we talk about simple 6-month study plan. After working on that plan, you can score more than 30% as you score in previous exam. Secondly, I discuss common mistakes which usually students do. In last, I give you a bonus tip. So let's start our video. Firstly, we look the typical problems usually students face. Students think that syllabus is too vast. Theory subjects are boring. What to study? What you have to study? You forget that. Too many definitions and terminologies. How you have to revise the exams. Your effort was not consistent. You think all of this. Simple trick. Don't think too much about all these things. Don't take too much pressure of your exams. See, if you are going for learning a driving, first day, trainer will not leave a complete car on you. He will not say that you can go and drive. First day, he tell you the basic function of the cars, where and how you have to. Similarly, when you start your syllabus, don't read too much as it is difficult to remember. On the very first day, just check the syllabus. Only checking. Take a books and check it. And divide it partly. Divide your syllabus partly. On the second day, when you study for minimum 3 hours only. Maximum you can do it to 3.5, not more than that. And in that, don't read continuously for 3 hours or 3.5 hours. Do this that you can read for 15 minutes or 20 minutes, then take a rest of 5 minutes. You have to take a break in middle, and that was after 15 to 20 minutes. You have to take a break. After taking a break, you can start again. And don't start the new one. Read the previous topic which you read before. Make notes of it. And again, after 30 minutes, after 35 minutes, take a relax. In this way, you can continue for 3 or 3.5 an hour. And your study of second day completed. Then on the third day, when you start your study, first revise what you studied previously. Write down its key point and understand it again. In this way, your topic which you study become very easy for you. This process and you can continue for a week. After completing a week, you have to increase your time limit. If in starting you study for 3 hours, after you have to increase your time. See your capability, and according to that you have to increase, and it is very important to increase your time to study. And the previous process which I tell you, how to make the notes, how to study, will you study continuously, as I suggest you, continuous study will never ever successful. If you study for 2 hours continuously, the things you remember less. If you study for half an hour, you remember more as compared to if you study for continuously for 2 hours. So process will remain same, but the time limit will increase. In this way, I guarantee you, you can complete your board exam syllabus within 5 months. You have 6 months, and I give you guarantee that you can complete your board preparation in 5 months. Now you have the last month. In that month, what you have to do? You revise what you study in previous 5 months and give test daily. In the last month, give test for 20 days only, not full month. Only first 20 days you have to give your test. And in last 10 days before the exam start, just check and read the key points which you note down while making your notes, which you have made while revising, which you make while you understand the subject. So in this way, you feel you can complete and score more percentage as you scored in previous exam. So this is the study plan, and as in starting I say you that I will tell you do mistakes while preparing. So what mistake you don't have to do was that while you preparing in these 6 months, first mistake which most of the students do which affect their study speed was that they treat syllabus as a vampire. Why I say vampire? Because vampire sucks the blood, and you treat your syllabus which decrease your blood in your body and which make you sick, and the sickness will never help you to maintain, to learn, to understand your syllabus. So first mistake which most of the students do, that they think that their syllabus was too vast and that syllabus become vampire for them. So don't think that syllabus is too much. Think that you can cover it. You have the capability. First, believe in yourself, because Harry Potter say if you believe in yourself, then working hard is also successful. If you only work hard but you don't have believe in yourself, then your working hard never helps you. So first, believe in yourself. When you believe in yourself, the syllabus which looks like to you will never look like that. Second common mistake is that a student cannot revise what they studied previously. Students continuously study. They never revise what they read previous day or previous month. While you are preparing in these months, you have to revise daily. What you have done before, you have to revise that. If you do this, you always remember what you read. Third mistake was that as while study plan I tell you don't read continuously. The third mistake was that only that a student is study continuously for long time. If they sit for self study at 10 a.m. they will continue to study till 1 p.m. or till 12 noon for a very long time. They didn't take a single break, which make more pressure on their mind, and because of this pressure the thing was mess up in their mind and nothing was clear. So to avoid these mistakes and start studying as I suggest you in the starting. So as I tell you here only and starting only, start study in that way so that you can avoid these mistakes. So this is the mistakes, or this is the study plans which I discuss with you, which I tell to you. And as in starting again, I will tell you that in last I will give you a bonus tip. So first bonus tip is, while studying, don't take stress of anything. Stress makes you weak, so don't take stress. Second tip, take proper sleep of 6 to 7 hours so that your mind will remain relaxed. If you haven't take your proper sleep, then your mind will not be fresh, and if your mind will not be fresh, if you study for a year also, then also you haven't remembered single words. So to relax your mind, you have to take a proper sleep. And third tip is, don't study few hours before your exams. In morning, when you are getting up and ready for school, I see most of the student, if they were changing their uniform, if they were packing their bags, they will continuously reading their what they read previous 6 months. My question was that which you study in last 6 months or 1 years, how you revise it in one day? I think it is impossible to revise all the things. So don't study few hours before. Just read before a night. Just check the key points. Remember that key points and feel relaxed. In morning, don't revise it. My suggestion, my opinion, and my personal experience was that don't revise in the morning. As you revise in the morning, that part only was remain in your mind, and the rest part will remove. So because of the pressure you have on your mind, that's why. So don't revise before going before going to give exam. So these are the tips which I have to give you to score marks, and this is a study plan which I provide you. I hope you like it, and these are the advices which help you to score more. To know more tips, just subscribe our YouTube channel, and if you like our video, then don't forget to press the like button and drop your beautiful contacts. And don't take the benefit alone. Share with your friends also. See you in our next video. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.